Hello friends, my name is Aditi.
Hi friends, my name is Pranit.
Hi friends, my name is Manya.
We all study in grade 3 and our school's name is Gems Genesis International School.
Today we made tower kit and from the simple power machine.
And the components we used are stored beams, full bushes, half bushes, connectors, motor, battery power function and etc.
Now I'll tell you how it works. The motor rotates with the help of the battery. We have attached the pulley wheel so it can go up and down.
I'll tell you demo.
Thank you.